Putting a plug in a tire today. We're gonna pop this whatever got into the tire out. Get the air hissing. We're using Tire Tech repair kit, vulcanizing plugs. They're about 100 times better than the plugs we buy at the store. I'm gonna put our reamer tool into that hole. This is kind of a big hole. It was a big bolt. So we're gonna use the bigger size plug. I got two different sizes, small and large. I'm turning clockwise in the tire. You don't want to go clockwise and counterclockwise. You're trying to get all the metal cords to go the same way. We're gonna take our vulcanizing fluid, put it right on the reamer tool. That's gonna get all that vulcanizing fluid right in there. So I'm using the bigger plug because it's a bigger hole. If it's a tiny hole, you gotta ream it out to size. Be able to fit a plug in. Sometimes you gotta expand it. This one, we don't need much reaming. We're gonna offset the tire plug a little bit. Not dead center, but off center a little bit on the tool. Put a lot of vulcanizing fluid on it. This isn't just rubber cement like you buy at the store. This Tire Tech stuff is awesome. And they also make patches that are vulcanizing. I haven't seen any vulcanizing stuff at any stores. Make sure we close that off real good. But you can order this stuff from Tire Tech. There's some people that drive around kind of like the Snap-on guy with tire equipment, and they sell these. It's the only place I've seen them. Then we'll take a little razor blade and cut the extra off. This blade's getting a little dull. And then we just got to fill it up with some air. And within a couple minutes, the vulcanizing fluid will do its thing. That's how you plug a tire.